In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use passkeys in Dashlane. Passkeys are a simpler, more secure way to sign in without memorizing complex passwords. Instead, they use a secure key that stays on your device and verifies it's really you, often with biometrics like a fingerprint or face recognition. Dashlane brings all of that into one place so you can manage, view, and use your passkeys alongside your other credentials. First, open Dashlane. You can use the web app in your browser or the desktop experience, whichever you already have set up. Make sure you're signed into your Dashlane account so everything syncs correctly. If you keep Dashlane pinned as a tab or readily accessible in your apps, it's easier to switch back and forth while you're setting things up. Next, look to the left side of the Dashlane interface and click Passkeys. This section is your hub for everything related to passkeys. Opening it now gives you a clear starting point, and it's where you'll confirm that new passkeys have been captured after you create or use them on a website. Here you can see your saved passkeys. You'll typically find entries grouped by the website or service name, often displaying the domain and the account identifier if one is available. Take a moment to review what's already stored so you know what's covered and what still needs a passkey. This quick check helps prevent duplicates and make sure you're using the right sign-in method for each site. Now, go to the website you want to log into and create a password or account there. If the site supports passkeys, you'll usually see an option to sign in with a passkey or to create one during account setup or in the site's security settings. Proceed through the site's normal flow. Staying on the official domain and using a supported browser will make this smoother. If you're switching from a traditional password, many sites will guide you to add a passkey as part of strengthening your account security. When it's time to use or save the credential, you'll see Dashlane. A prompt will appear to use an existing passkey or to save a new one to Dashlane. Confirm the prompt, complete your device's authentication, and finish the sign-in on the website. Afterward, return to the passkeys section in Dashlane, where you should now see the new entry listed with the rest of your saved passkeys. From here on, the next time you visit that site, Dashlane can streamline the sign-in by offering the passkey automatically, making logins both faster and more secure.